Retiring to a hotel is an innovative and increasingly popular housing option for seniors seeking affordability and convenience. This concept allows retirees to enjoy a hassle-free lifestyle, where daily chores like maintenance and housekeeping are taken care of, freeing up time for leisure and exploration. Hotels often provide amenities such as dining options, fitness centers, and social activities, making it easier to connect with others. One of the most appealing aspects of hotel living is its cost-effectiveness. Many hotels offer long-term stay discounts that can be more affordable than traditional retirement homes. In this video, we'll also share valuable tips on maximizing credit card programs and point usage, helping you save even more on your retirement journey. Stay tuned for insights that can enhance your hotel living experience. Why retire to a hotel? Choosing a hotel for retirement living offers numerous advantages that cater to a more flexible lifestyle. One of the key benefits is the lack of long-term commitments. Retirees can enjoy the freedom to move or change locations without the hassle of selling a home. Hotels typically provide a range of amenities, including housekeeping services and dining options, which can significantly reduce daily responsibilities and enhance comfort. This convenience allows retirees to focus on enjoying their golden years rather than managing a household. Additionally, living in a hotel can foster social interaction and a sense of community, as many hotels host events and activities that encourage residents to connect with one another. This vibrant environment can lead to new friendships and a fulfilling retirement experience. Cost-effectiveness of hotel living. Hotel living can be a surprisingly budget-friendly retirement option when compared to traditional retirement homes. While the monthly fees for assisted living facilities can quickly add up, many hotels offer competitive rates, especially for long-term stays. Seasonal rates and discounts for extended bookings can further reduce costs, making it easier for retirees to manage their budgets. Additionally, hotel living often eliminates expenses associated with utilities and maintenance, as these are typically included in the room rate. This means no more worrying about rising electricity bills or unexpected repairs. By choosing a hotel, retirees can enjoy a comfortable lifestyle while keeping their expenses in check, allowing them to allocate more funds toward travel, hobbies, or other experiences that enrich their retirement years. Best hotel credit card programs. For retirees looking to maximize their hotel living experience, choosing the right credit card can unlock valuable rewards. The Marriott Bonvoy Boundless card offers generous points for every dollar spent, which can be redeemed for free nights at thousands of hotels worldwide. Additionally, cardholders receive automatic Silver Elite status, enhancing their stay with perks like late checkout. On the other hand, the Hilton Honors American Express card provides a robust rewards structure, allowing users to earn points on everyday purchases and enjoy complimentary breakfast and room upgrades. When selecting a card, consider your travel habits. If you frequently stay at a specific hotel chain, opt for a card that aligns with that brand. This strategic choice can lead to significant savings and enhanced experiences during your retirement travels. Using points to reduce costs. Maximizing hotel points can significantly minimize your retirement living expenses. One effective strategy is to earn points through everyday spending. Many hotel credit cards offer bonus points for purchases like groceries, dining, and gas. By using these cards for regular expenses, you can accumulate points quickly. When it comes to booking, consider strategies like booking during off-peak times or using points for free nights during special promotions, which can stretch your rewards further. Additionally, keep an eye out for limited-time offers and promotions from hotel loyalty programs, such as double points on specific stays or bonus points for referrals. By staying informed and strategic about your point usage, you can enjoy a more affordable and rewarding hotel living experience during your retirement years. In summary, retiring to a hotel can be a smart choice for those seeking cost savings and convenience. With flexible living arrangements, essential amenities, and the potential for social interaction, hotel living offers a unique lifestyle that many retirees find appealing. Additionally, exploring hotel credit card options can further enhance your experience by providing valuable rewards and savings. By strategically using points and taking advantage of promotions, you can significantly reduce your expenses. If you found this video helpful, we encourage you to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with friends and family who might also benefit from this information. Stay tuned for more content on retirement living and financial tips to make the most of your golden years.